Hello, my name is Stephen and I am the computer technology tutor, and I have been working in Springvale for almost 10 years. I actually started in Springvale as a student back in 2011. Whenever I finished my qualification, Springvale offered me a position as a classroom assistant within the computer technology area. I was then presented with the opportunity to progress, and I'm now a tutor. Being a part of the learner's journey throughout their time in Springvale, watching the learners grow in confidence and ability and achieving is just very rewarding. So I deliver a level 1 ICT for IT users qualification, where we will have a look at the fundamentals of computer systems. That will involve computer hardware, computer software and computer security. We also will learn how to plan out our work before undertaking any activities. I also deliver a level 2 ICT system support qualification. Through that qualification, we will look at hardware, software, networking and computer security in more depth. Completing these qualifications can lead to job opportunities within the IT sector, which also could lead on to an apprenticeship program where you could further your knowledge within the sector, within the area. There is also opportunity for further education. This will open up possibilities to explore new areas of IT, which maybe could involve game development, web development and even programming. A young person should join Springvale as we have an excellent team of well-experienced tutors. We will be here to help motivate and inspire you to achieving your full potential. We also have an excellent pastoral care and support network within Springvale Learning, and they will ensure that your emotional and physical well-being is being met throughout your journey.